Don't even think about getting on my counter. Thank you. Don't even walk through the other side. Come on. You can't get on the candy. My tab. You like sleeping in that chair. Well, he got scared from something. I don't know what that was. Okay. Mom, do you want to tell the story?
So, I came home today, package on my door, not mine. So, I called Amazon to return it because it is Christmas. Don't keep gifts that are not yours or packages. So, they couldn't find the order number. It is a Amazon package. So, I'm going to open it and see what it is.
They told you to keep it.
They told me to keep it. And I'm like, I can't keep it. It's not mine. They said it's okay. So, that was a very weird guess. So now we're going to open it and see what's in it.
And I said it's probably baby wipes.
It's probably butt wipes or something really crazy. So let's see what we get.
My nightstand is a little messy.
Ah, yeah, think. All right, so let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. Holy shit. It's a Bose speaker. Oh, no freaking way.
What the hell are you gonna do with that?
You kidding me? Bose is like a very expensive gift.
I know what it is, but how is it just the one speaker?
Yeah, but it's like a Bluetooth. So whoever, I really tried to give this back to somebody. Thank you, Amazon. And I'm not going to say the person's name on this package. So, wow. That's crazy.
It's Bluetooth?
It's Bluetooth.
Oh, so it can go in the kitchen.
It can go, yeah. You can use it.
And we can
We don't really
use
listen.
at the beach.
At the beach. It's waterproof. Wow. That is freaking awesome
So
and great.
awesome.
This is what happens when you're honest.
Yeah. You get both speakers.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I mean,
Oh my goodness.
wow. Wow. I have to look this up and see how much it actually costs.
Yeah. And it means...
Holy crap, look at that. And, wow.
So, a Bluetooth speaker.
Oh my god, let me get my phone, because I can tell you right now that this thing's gonna cost. This thing's gonna cost.
You need to watch your mouth.
I said freaking.
Not at first.
Alright, so this is Bluetooth. So let's go to my Bluetooth. I'm gonna turn this on. Oh, this is on.
Is it charged? So,
Maybe I should read the directions first.
yeah. That's a good idea.
Wow, what a nice, wow. Wow.
Bye. So,
I get it first, just in case
I guess she wants to grab my purse. Do you like my ridiculous hair? Like, what's even gonna... Oh man. There's my big forehead. Thanks, Grandma. That's exactly who gave it to me. I guess I'll leave it, I'll put it over here. I'm being lazy.
Yeah, why are you being lazy, honey?
I put my hair in a stupid circle.
Did you?
Yeah.
How did you do that?
Because I'm too lazy to flip my head up.
You are not putting that on there.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No.
Yes. Watch.
That just like came out like.
It was awesome.
It was not.
Yeah.
It wasn't. Deanna Christine.
Yeah,
If she puts this on there, I'm gonna be very upset.
and,
Okay, women burp and fart. I get it. Did I just say that?
yeah.
Alright.
We don't fart.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Yes.
Okay. And they're little clouds of unicorns.
So does it like puff?
Glitter.
I was gonna say confetti, but that's okay.
I think glitter is better.
Look how pretty that lake is. I really love it here. It's so beautiful. Even though I hate winter, I love this town. Yeah. This is like one of the best towns I've lived in I think ever.
Yeah, I definitely love it up here.
I like this town. This town is super amazing. It's very expensive. Yeah, it's very expensive to live here. I'll never be able to afford a house here, but it is what it is.
We're renting.
Yes, they are renting. But we have a super nice, cute little place.
Wicked. You're annoying with this.
You're annoying. Look at it, little Santa headquarters.